Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Bitcoin sell-off continues. So rotation zone now against the long side on the 4-hour chart. So we projected the lower levels, finally fell through the 77.43 level. Then we did the projection down from the high right here of June 2nd to the most recent swing low, this temporary little swing low, which then gave us a 75.09 level, so essentially 7,500 with the rising 200 period moving average. That was a little minor cluster, and we've hit that. At this point, you can take down, this is now, this might not be a pausing bar, so you'll have to watch these levels. Safe, I could do it from here, but it's not going to give you much lower levels. If this is the pausing bar, then these levels will hold. If it goes lower, you'll want to wait for a pausing bar. And what I mean by pausing bars, it's you get a bar that pauses the down move at least. So if this is the pausing bar, the next key levels down we're watching are about 7,300 and then 7,100, 7,301 and 7,102. Let's see, on any rally, the first key, we have this little ledge, which is support turning resistance and the declining rotation zone, 7,900. And then this area, which was prior support, becoming resistance, and the rotation zone, which is about 8,200. So those are your key levels you will be watching for based off the 4-hour chart. Let's check in on the daily chart. So you see yesterday closing just above the rotation zone, coming down and testing this key low area and the bottom of the rotation zone, and then today just falling straight through it. So let's see, just a bigger picture here. The 25% retracement is at 76.28, which we're already through. And then this other 7,100 is a 50-day exponential moving average. So that's a very key level. This 7,100 is the level you'll really want to focus on to the downside. Switching over to Ethereum. So Ethereum finally breaking down through this 248.50 area. That was this prior little support and the 25% retracement, then that becoming resistance with the declining rotation zone. So you see it spiking down through there, returning to it, moving sideways, rotation zone catching up. Next sell-off coming in just higher. 235.08 was the low so far. Our key level was 234, essentially 233.80. Sell-off continues. This is really the key area we're watching. 228. We have the rising 200 simple moving average and the bottom of this projection and the 37.5% retracement. So that's the key area we're watching to the downside if there's any reversal down there. Resistance, I'm still going to be watching the 248 on any rally, and then through that I'll be keeping an eye on about 254. Those are the two key levels on any rally we'll be watching for. Let's switch over to the daily chart. So you see again closing just above the 25% retracement, right testing the bottom of the rotation zone, then just dropping through it. If we do get through this 228 level, the next major area is down about 220 right now. Entering oversold condition, but that does not mean it has to rally. It just means that, hey, we've entered oversold condition. So you can start watching for shorter term bottoming patterns or anything. Or this could be setting up longer term, you know, we get a bounce and we make a lower low. We could be getting at some point a divergence. You could get a double bottom at some of these key levels. Those are the things you'll be wanting to watch for this pullback, and then a reversal higher. Don't just try to bottom pick without a pattern though. So we have for you on Ethereum and Bitcoin, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.